Hello, buddy, and welcome to episode 15.
15, very nice.
15 of Top Rope Reality Part 1. I'm Mike Hogan, and he, of course, is
Justin Carter.
And let's get started with some big indie news.
Got some big stuff. We got the indie tournament that is on Facebook, and it is
just started. It has just started this past
just started
Thursday.
the first round, and it is pretty wild right now. I mean, there's a lot of voting going on in our AIWF bracket. The champion, AIWF champion Justin Overstreet, he has 5 votes so far, and his opponent has 0. So we see where that's kind of going.
Yes,
and then, of course,
Marcus Gibbs fans need to get out there and
exactly. Marcus Gibbs fans, come on now. Logan Page has 4 votes, and Chris Bracken has none. Let's vote for him a little bit.
Bracken had some fans. I guess you don't.
A TR Superstar is 3 with Scotty Ray's at 5.
That's a close one.
Very close one. And then Justin Flash has 5 votes, and Street Bandit has 0. So no fans for Street Bandit right now either. So all right then. All right.
Crashing down. Is that Street Bandit's fans trying to break in to vote?
Yes, they're trying to break in to vote right now. So
well, they need to be voting.
That's right.
If not, it's going to be very lopsided on one side of the board here.
Of course. So then you got
the
CSW bracket. Chris Ty only has 1 vote. David Prime has 2.
So that's a close one.
Very close.
Close one.
Brian Cage has 4. Cali Kid 0. Come on.
I am very surprised.
Cali Kid fans, come on.
Step up to the plate.
Lucha LaCora has 4 votes, and Billy Reyes has 1. That was surprising. I thought it'd be very close. John Riker and Nathan Beast. This is one we really need to address. John Riker versus Nathan Beast both have 1 apiece. What that means, fans, is if both the fans, if none of the fans vote anymore, and they stay tied, then that means that they will be disqualified. Neither one will go forward.
Right.
Whoever wins with Lucha LaCora and Billy Reyes will move forward in the tournament without having to face anybody. So we need to get John Riker and Nathan Beast. We need to get some votes up there for them and figure out who's going to keep going, because only 1 apiece, that means that they're not going to go anywhere.
Nope.
The New Heights...
We thought there was a lot of fans for both. And
right.
So far, we see there's only 2.
Right. The New Heights bracket, Mike Faison has 2 votes and Lane Smart has 1. Very close.
It's close.
Christopher Slade with 3. Cameron Frost with 0.
No Cameron Frost fans out there.
Waylon Barley with 3. And Cyrus LeVay with 0.
No LeVay fans out there.
Zane Stevens with 3. And Ox Haney fans with 0. The SWA bracket, Mr. Fantasy, is at 2. Here's another one we need to address.
Someone that could be
Shane Gibson also has 2, which means that if y'all don't get out there and vote, then those 2 will also be disqualified, and that means that neither one of them will move forward.
We'll have a draw, and
then Lince Dorado. Now this is a huge upset in my opinion.
Right.
Lince Dorado has 1 vote, while Aaron Epic only has 4. 1 to 4. That is huge.
And if Mr. Fantasy and Gibson don't stay
get any more votes, and Aaron Epic goes straight to the next round.
Looks like he's going to walk on to the 3rd round.
That's right. Dan Delicious only has 1 vote.
Right.
Well, Dan, give me Dan.
She's a big Dan Delicious fan.
Big Dan Delicious fan. So, Joey Mayberry has 4 votes. So that is a huge upset.
You would say boo to Joey Mayberry? That's been
and then Paul Jourdain. Paul Jourdain has 4 votes, while Kyle Matthews has 0. So Paul Jourdain looks like he's moving forward unless we get some Kyle Matthews fans out there.
Yeah, I know. Right now, the biggest ones are Paul Jourdain, Aaron Epic, and Joey Mayberry.
Yes.
So that bracket's pretty good.
They've all got 4 apiece, and everybody else is right there below them. And Lucha LaCora also has 4. So I mean, and then the AIWF bracket, some of them have 5, so it's pretty good.
Oh yeah, it's definitely good here.
Yeah. So then that's going to be your indie tournament right now.
Okay, you got to the 20th.
All right.
They got to the 20th to get the votes. Come on, we're going to move some more forward, or either just
Right. Absolutely.
12 o'clock on the 20th.
And then we want to talk more about Brad Armstrong's Memorial Show, which will be in Milton, Florida on the July the 19th at the Milton Community Center. We want to announce 6 more names which if you go online, you'll see some more names, but we want to just talk about 6 more names. We're going to talk about the original Lord Humongous is going to be there. That's going to be huge.
Very
Original
huge.
Lord Humongous. And then Waylon
Don't ask him
Barley.
about Sid Vicious.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Waylon Barley will also
Maybe
be
you
there.
should.
Waylon Barley will be there. Mr. Fantasy from SWA will also be there, along with Shane Gibson, who will also be there. So it'll get dark, and we'll have some lights flashing at us. And then
I thought that entrance alone would garner a few votes.
right. And then we have DJ Pringle, which is the son of Percy Pringle. He will be there. And also Tessa Blanchard. Tessa Blanchard is the daughter of Tully Blanchard and the stepdaughter to Magnum TA. That's going to be very interesting.
A lot of experience in that.
Yes,
that part there.
exactly.
She has a lot to learn from those two.
And there's also going to be I don't know if we discussed this last time, but there's going to be a big battle royal
I think we did.
for the Brad Armstrong Memorial Championship title.
Which
So
should be
that'll
good.
be interesting. But that's what we're going to announce so far for the Milton, Florida show. And once again, like we announced on Facebook, it's official that we will be there.
Yes.
We will be there, and we will be filming, and hopefully be getting some interviews. We're trying to, and once again, very, very, very big fan of Brad Armstrong. So we're just trying to put everything together and get some interviews going, and we'll see what happens.
And remember, folks, vote, yes.
Vote.
I know, tell them to vote. Get out.
Vote.
Go.
So
Well, I think that's about it.
That's going to be it for the
indie
indie situation. So and here, oh goodness, this cat is a big fan. So we're going to be right back after this,
She loves you.
apparently so, and we'll get back to everything else that's going on.
She's a big indie fan.
Apparently a big
She's a
indie
big indie fan. She loves
This
indie
cat's
wrestling.
going to attack me in a second. We'll be right back after this.